Here's some air conditioners, part 4. There's an American Standard Silver Series. Really nice. 2015, 2.5 ton. There's a Carrier, I think. 2014, 2.5 ton. Yeah, there's 2 gimmets over there. I don't feel like getting on those. These are a lot of air conditioners, to be honest. Pretty much like that American Standard. I thought that was gonna be a train, but I'm surprised. There's 2 Nordines. Wow, that looks like the one over there that I filmed with, where that train is. Train XR 13 unit. Here's a Philco. And right here, I think it's a. Oh, that panel's electrical. Yeah, this is unknown, just like the one I filmed. Can't tell, but 2012, 2.5 ton. 2 ring units. Oh, that one's an Arcaware. Here's an Arcaware. I'm gonna make this quick right now because my mom's telling me to hurry up. This is from 2005. Yeah, 2005. 2 ton. Keep getting the units. Okay, I gotta hurry this up. There's another Philco right there. Don't feel like getting on that. That one's running. It's a really large one right here. I do wonder, this is a 3 ton from 2012. Hopefully I'll come back here and see if one of that ream well, I think you saw part 1, and see if the other ream is if it gets replaced, actually. The deteriorating coils that I've filmed with, actually. So yeah, this is gonna be like lots of air conditioners around here. There's a Payne right there, I think. Yeah, that's a Payne. That's all electrical. I don't know what the heck this is, but it's sort of running. It's from, oh, it's a Century Air. Okay. It's from, let me see. Serial number 2017, I think. It's a 2 ton, but yeah, this is a Century Air. Never seen it like that. It looks like a Maristar, but in the opposite way because of the fan grill looking a Maristar unit. I'm doing this for like almost 4 minutes now. There's a train, and that's a really large ream right there. Here's a tiny little Carrier. It looks like HVAC Explorations Carrier. This Train XR unit looks really new. It's got an LG compressor. This thing is brand new. Wow.